I couldn't find no video related about how you're gonna take these bolts out for the sunroof. Two Torx T25 right there. Two on the driver. And two on the passenger right there. You can reach them out with a long extension and a T25 in case that the sunroof is all the way up and you can't get it out. Well, that's two bolts right there. There's another two bolts, one on each side, two on each side. Here. And here. But besides those four, there's another two long ones, two on that piece. I can barely see him, but he's still right there. Okay, that's one. Those two right there. Two on each side, so it's 2, 4, 10 bolts. It's a Mercedes Benz R350 2006.